Welcome to the UGC Playbook for Creators podcast. I'm your host, Sisi, though some of you might already know me from Instagram or YouTube as Miss Divalicious. I've spent the last 8 years creating content for local and global brands, and now I'm here to help you do the same. Now, here's what I know for sure. Right now is the best time to be a content creator. Why? Because brands around the world are desperately looking for authentic, relatable, high-quality user-generated content because UGC is crushing it. It's consistently outperforming traditional ads, and brands are catching on fast. Brands are no longer looking for influencers. They're actually looking for everyday people like you and me, people who can create authentic, engaging, high-quality user-generated content because UGC feels real and relatable. And guess what? You don't need followers to get started. That's the beauty of UGC. It's not about how big your audience is. It's about the quality of your content. Brands are using these videos in their advertising and social media, which means you don't even have to post them and you still get paid. I created the UGC Playbook because I've been exactly where you are. I remember asking myself, how do I even get started? What should I say? Where do I even find these brands and how much should I charge? I remember pitching my first brand, second-guessing every message and wishing someone would just give me a clear roadmap. And that's why I created this podcast, to give you the roadmap I wish I had when I started. Every week, I'll share short, actionable episodes that help you go from posting for fun to actually getting paid for your creativity. We'll cover things like how to make your first 1,000 as a UGC creator with 0 followers, how to build a mini portfolio that actually gets brands to say yes, how to pitch with confidence and follow up like a pro, what to charge, including how usage and whitelisting really work, and how to turn one-off deals into repeat clients. My goal is simple, to give you a clear, actionable roadmap so that you can build a profitable, freedom-based UGC business and start earning from your creativity right away. And because I want you to start winning from day one, I have a special gift for you. I've put together a free masterclass called How to Make Your First 1,000 as a UGC Creator with 0 followers. Inside, I'm breaking down why UGC is so powerful right now and how to leverage it. How to build a killer portfolio even if you're just starting out. Where to find your first paying clients and how to pitch like a pro. Plus the biggest mistakes to avoid so you grow faster and earn sooner. It's short, powerful, and made to get you results fast. So, if you're ready to stop overthinking and start getting paid, if you're ready to join a thriving community of creators who've stopped dreaming and started doing, then you're exactly where you need to be. Hit the follow button and let's start this amazing journey together. And don't forget to grab your free masterclass through the link in the episode description and kickstart your UGC creator business right away. Welcome to the UGC Playbook for Creators podcast. I can't wait to see the amazing things you create.